signing ceremony. I will now sign the Memorandum of Understanding on Technology, Tourism, Aviation, Resource Development. A certificate of donation in the province of Benguet. Local Authorities Foundation for International Cooperation among local. Under this MOU, both parties agreed to establish a partnership where they can.
Okay, congratulations.
Corporation and the lease agreement between Dongwon Clark Corporation and Clark Development Corporation. For the agreement by both parties on financing and the arrangement for the implementation of the construction of the next frontier area, a property located in the Clark Special Economic Zone.
Thank you very much.
The Promotion Agency will now sign the Memorandum of Understanding between the Department of Environment and Natural Resources and the Korea Trade Investment Promotion Agency. Under the MOU, both sides will collaborate through the exchange of information on clean development mechanism in the Philippines, specifically pertaining to renewable energy projects. And the Korea Energy Economics Institute.